Hi, welcome to AchieveScale. I'm Brink Trammell and I'm using this series of short videos to share my approach to scaling projects and programs with clients, colleagues, and anyone else who might be interested. There's a lot of great work on how to manage projects effectively, but there's much less on how to stay effective when the work gets bigger than a single manager can handle. If you just throw resources at an increasingly complex problem, soon it'll collapse under its own weight. This series is about why that happens and what we can do about it. It's a complex topic, so in the first few episodes I will outline a general framework or approach and then add details as appropriate in subsequent episodes. First, I'll look at what happens to organizations as they grow. If we're going to solve a problem, it's best to understand the causes. In this case, scaling isn't simply growth. There's a structural change that occurs in projects, programs, or any organization as it tries to grow. This change drives most of the problems that arise in managing complex programs, so we need to examine it right up front. Next, we'll look at how information moves through an organization. Most of us are familiar with the standard communication model that includes a sender, a receiver, a channel, and messages. While this point-to-point model is a good start, we have to look at multi-point communications as well, what I'll call convergent and divergent information flows. Having looked at scaling dynamics and information flows, we'll then use what we learned to start building a framework for extending project management best practices to function in scaled organizations. Over time, I hope to go into some detail in these areas, as well as cover such things as organizational maturity, workforce maturity, governance, ad hoc automation, the relationship between risk tolerance and motivation, and several other topics. While the first few episodes will roughly follow the sequence I've just outlined, I'm not going to try to cover everything sequentially. I'll be adding and refining things as I go along, which means the episodes will bounce from topic to topic. Since some episodes will depend on material covered previously, I'll keep a series roadmap at AchieveScale.com to make it easy to find coherent paths through the material. I'm looking forward to getting started. If you have any comments or if you see something you'd approach differently, I'd love to hear about it. You can leave comment at AchieveScale.com or send email to brink@AchieveScale.com. You can also follow me on Twitter at Brink Trammell or find me on LinkedIn or Facebook. Thanks for watching. I hope to hear from you.